Hi, my name is Marcus Theodore, and I've been shooting weddings now for 25 years, so I've learned a thing or two about the day itself. Hi, my name is Marcus Theodore. I've been shooting weddings now for 25 years. I've learned a thing or two, and today I want to talk about asking the right question and not the wrong question. Most couples that I meet, they do have a series of lists of questions they may have pulled from a blog in 1995, and it's questions like, you know, do you shoot DV or HDV? What sort of cameras do you use? Does it shoot widescreen? And just stuff that really is irrelevant, because from my knowledge and my experience, everyone in the industry now is using something similar, and their equipment is incredible. You don't walk into you don't have a meal at a restaurant, then walk into the back and then say, "Hey chef, that was a gorgeous meal, thank you so much. What utensils did you use in order to produce that?" You don't do that. We can make films look incredible on an iPhone. That's the reality of it. So it's never the equipment. It's always a person behind the camera, and you want to make sure that that person behind the camera is there on the day. And this is what leads me to this vlog today, is that when you are asking a question, you should be asking first and foremost, hey, what happens if you don't show up on the day? What happens if something goes wrong? What you don't want is, no, nothing's gonna go wrong. It's gonna be fine. I've been shooting weddings. Not in that voice, you know what I mean. I've been shooting weddings now for so long. Nothing's ever happened. Something can happen. Something always does happen. It's happened to me. I pulled a bicep tendon thing, and my bicep ended up here, and it was like a small little brother sibling that I didn't know existed was trying to make its way outside my shoulder. Anyway, I had 50 weddings planned. I couldn't shoot any of them. However, we're a team. We're C2, and we have incredible videographers, and we always have 1 or 2 videographers on standby just in case something can happen, will happen, does happen. We always have a backup plan. What you want to make sure is that there is a backup plan. We've had videographers bulging discs the night before, cars break down, cameras drop, smash. We're only a phone call away, so we'll make sure that we're on it. You don't want to hear nothing will happen, because something always can. And you want to make sure that there's a plan involved, because you're not doing this again, not to the same person anyway. So you're only going to get one chance at this, and you know, it's such a poignant, such an emotional, such an important day. You want to make sure that people that you're hiring, particularly your videographers and your photographers, because we're documenting the day, have a backup plan, have some contingencies in place to make sure that they can absolutely cover it. And that's the question you should be asking. That's an uncomfortable question. Particularly, you know, you might see someone sort of shift a little bit and, well, no, nothing. Why say that? Why put it out in the ether? Put it out in the ether, ask the question, ask the right question. Don't ask about the equipment, ask about who's going to be behind the equipment, because that's what you want to make sure that that person there operating it is going to be there on the day. If not, there's going to be an equal replacement of the same standard there, ready to capture your day. I hope that was helpful. I hope you found it helpful. Sorry about the twin bicep. Thanks for watching.